Design Start, and today we are going to talk about pages. So pages is something that is located in the left sidebar at the top. You can see it here. And basically page is a canvas for your work. You can have multiple pages inside your file. Pages are basically used for the organization of your work, so it becomes easier for you to move between different types of things that you are working on. So as it mentioned, pages are located in the top part of the left sidebar. You can see it here. Here now I have two pages. You may hide page section by clicking on this thing at the top right corner. In this case, you will be able to show and hide pages. You can move between pages. You can add more pages by clicking this plus button. You can name your page as new page 2, and that's all. You can reorder your pages by holding a particular page that you want to move top or at the bottom, and then just move it like that. Each page contains all the content in the layer section. So here is the layer section, and all the layers that are inside a particular page are located here. As you can see, now we have a lot of layers here, and in these new pages we don't have any. But as soon as we draw something, for instance, if you draw a rectangle, it will appear here. If you draw another rectangle, or let's draw an ellipse, it also appears here. And then you also can select your layers on the canvas. So if it's selected on the canvas, then it's also selected in the layers. But if you select it in the layers, it also will be selected in the canvas. Basically, it's done to make sure that it's more easier to navigate and to work in your Figma file. So in this case, we can see that we have like page with a lot of layers, we have page with some layers, and then we have page without any layers at all. You may also rename pages by clicking it twice, or you can click the right button and then you can see the copy link to page, which basically will be a share link for this particular page. You can delete page, you can rename page, and you can duplicate page. So basically we cover everything we need to know about pages. The only thing which is important is that in the Figma basic free account, you may have only 3 pages in a file that inside the project. So now we have a file that inside team project, and we may have only 3 pages that are available. In case you are going into the draft projects, for instance, here one, let's open this one. Here you may have more than 3 pages. On the free plan. So if you're a freelancer, you can work in your drafts, and then you can create a lot of pages and share it with your clients, but they will not have an editing permissions. Another interesting idea of how to organize the files with pages is that some pages could be used as like a fillers to make sure your files are organized well here. So for instance, you may have some pages used as dividers, like that, which basically makes your pages structure more organized, like that. And you also may add some emoji, like checkboxes or something like that, to make sure that, for instance, this page and this page is done, and this page and this page should be developed. That's all for pages, and see you in the next videos.